Everyone, this is Amy. Welcome to my channel. I just got my latest Misfits Market order, and this was another customized box, and I want to show you what's inside. But first, I have a few things I just want to let you know about. The first thing, and it's super exciting, is that I just launched my 28-day transformation program. This is the exact program that I used to jumpstart my own 35-pound weight loss. If you think because the holidays are coming that it's not the right time to do a nutrition program, I want to clue you in on something. When I was 170 pounds and I'm 5'4", I had tried what I thought was everything, and I was going to an endocrinologist. 170 pounds for a 5'4" individual is bordering on obesity. I wasn't quite there yet, but I was getting there. She gave me some guidance to get started, and I was leaving in like a day or two to go up to Lake Placid because Skate America was taking place that year in Lake Placid over Thanksgiving. I started in Lake Placid over Thanksgiving, and in 5 days, I lost 2 pounds. It's a 4-week program complete with your meal plans and your recipes and guidance, and it's all on an online platform waiting for you. I'm super excited to finally make this available, and I really hope that you'll find the link in the description down below. And if you act fast, you can use the coupon code YouTube to save $200. So that means you're getting a whole month of nutrition for only $97. That's a deal, but that's not going to last forever. So go ahead and click the link in the description down below and get that now, but watch the video first. And also, if you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, go ahead and get that out of the way right now. And while you're at it, tap the bell right next to the subscribe button so that you never miss a video, because I'm going to have all kinds of videos coming at you all month to support your healthy lifestyle during the holidays, and you're not going to want to miss any of these. So make sure you tap that bell. Okay, now that that's out of the way, let's get into our Misfits box. There's one ice pack on top, and then there's some cardboard underneath that. I really wish they would come up with a better way of dealing with the ice packs the way Farm Box Direct does. If you haven't seen any of my Farm Box Direct videos, there's a link down in the description below. You can watch them. They do typically a much better job at packing, but we'll find out how this Misfits box worked out. Let's see, because the strawberries are right on top. I know, I said I would never get strawberries again from Misfits, and I did. So they're a little, Yeah, I don't understand this. Why? I mean, they're mushy and slimy, and I don't know if you can see that, but this one's really like mushed. They're all slimy. I don't understand why they can't get that right. I don't know if they freeze them, because that's sort of what it reminds me of, are frozen strawberries that have defrosted. Some baby Bella mushrooms, broccolini, and it's actually says sweet baby broccoli on it, and this is organic. As everything in here is organic, just as a reminder, because I try to buy only organic whenever I can. That is one of the things that I really feel like helped my weight loss too. This is nice. Oh, organic asparagus. And this is nice and thin. You don't very often get asparagus that's thin like this. Oftentimes you get that really thick asparagus, and I prefer it thin. So that's really nice. Fennel. This is very dirty fennel, so I will be sure to clean this thoroughly, but it's nice looking fennel. Micrograin sampler. I really like this. I actually put this on a Seven Sons hamburger last week, and I love it. So I'm glad I got this again. Organic cilantro. More organic cilantro. I'm going to have a lot of cilantro. Some summer squash, zucchini, I think this is kale. I'm not really sure. Pears and lemons. More lemons. More pears. A lime. Some lettuce. See, now why would you like just throw that in there like that? You know, that's the thing that I really wish, if I could change anything about Misfits Market, it would be how they package stuff. And I guess that's, you know, part of the reason why it's as inexpensive as it is, because they don't have to worry about packaging. But I mean, when I'm getting lettuce that is just falling apart like this, and this is not good. So I'm going to give them a complaint about that. I'm going to put this over here with the strawberries. But I feel like it could have been avoided if it was packed better. Another zucchini, scallions. So nice that these don't seem to be a problem to get now as they were when I first started getting things from Misfits. Some more limes. Oh God. The arugula. Open here, but it looks like somebody already tried to open it, or someone stepped on it, or something. I'm not really sure what happened here, but this is all dented up and not in the greatest shape. That's disappointing. Some more pears. More lemons and pears. We got lots of lemons, limes, and pears. Russet potatoes. Yellow onions. Spanish or yellow onions. Golden beets. These are very large beets. And this is a lowly jicama that's just all by itself in the box. I don't remember that being on the order, so it's just random. And some unsalted chicken broth. Now, this is my mistake. I thought these were going to be a lot bigger. I probably wouldn't have ordered them had I known they were this small, because they were not inexpensive. And I thought I was getting full size. But that's me. I guess I didn't look correctly at the size to see that it was only 8 ounces. I thought I was getting a deal on the big ones. My fault. My mistake. Okay. So this is how full my sink is. And then I have those items over there and the strawberries that are questionable, and I'm going to let Misfits know about that. And this really, really sad lettuce, too. So sad. But what do you guys think? Is this worth the value that I paid for it? Have you ordered from Misfits? Do you like what you get? Are you happy with them? Have you tried another service that you like better? Let me know. Leave me comments down below. I really want to hear your thoughts on this. Remember, if you haven't already, hit that subscribe button and then tap the bell icon so you get notified whenever I post a new video. Check out in the description down below, I have the 28-day transformation program. I also have some free resources for you to help get you through the holidays. Take a look at those right in the description down below. This is Amy. Thank you for watching. I'll see you next time. Bye.